Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to add another account in Gmail app. We start by opening the Gmail app on our phone. Then we click on the icon of our user. Here we will see the option to add another account and click on it. Next, we choose the Google option and then we add the account data to add. Finally, we accept the notice and we will have the new account added. To switch between accounts, we can drag the user icon down and change or click on it and choose the account to use. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.